Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. If you're ready to boost your affiliate income, hit that subscribe button and the alert bell to never miss our money-making tips. Smash that like button if you're excited to learn. Now some of you might be thinking, Pat, affiliate marketing, isn't that a bit old school? And to that I say absolutely not. Affiliate marketing is more relevant than ever, and it's a fantastic way to create passive income streams around your passions. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, this video is your step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing success. We'll cover everything from choosing the right products to promote, to driving traffic and maximizing your earnings. So let's get started. And hey, if you ever find yourself promoting a product that you haven't even tried, don't worry, we've all been there. Laughs. Let's make sure we avoid those rookie mistakes together. First things first, let's break down exactly what affiliate marketing is. Imagine this, you're passionate about photography, right? You've got a blog or a YouTube channel where you share your amazing photos and tips with the world. Now, let's say you find a company that sells camera equipment. They have an affiliate program. You sign up and they give you a unique link to share with your audience. Now, whenever someone clicks your link and buys that awesome new lens, you earn a commission. It's like getting a little thank you for sending a customer their way. Pretty cool, right? That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You're essentially recommending products or services you believe in to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your recommendation, you get rewarded for it. The best part? You don't have to create the products, handle customer service, or deal with inventory. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The key is to be authentic, build trust with your audience, and focus on providing real value. So are you ready to build something amazing? Let's do this! Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, let's talk about finding your niche. This is where things get exciting. Your niche is essentially your area of focus, the sweet spot where your passions and your audience's interests align. Think about it this way. What are you truly passionate about? What topics could you talk about for hours on end? Maybe you're a tech whiz who loves reviewing the latest gadgets. Or perhaps you're a fitness enthusiast with a knack for creating delicious and healthy recipes. Whatever it is, that passion is your gold mine. Now, it's not enough to just be passionate about something. You also need to make sure there's an audience out there who's interested in what you have to offer. This is where a little bit of market research comes in handy. Find that sweet spot where your interests and their needs intersect, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Alright, you've got your niche locked in, and you're ready to start promoting some awesome products. But hold on. Choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial. Look for programs with competitive commission rates. Ensure fair compensation for your efforts. Check the program's tracking and payment system. Accurate tracking and timely payments are essential. Research the program's reputation and product quality. Make sure it aligns with your values and brand. Chapter 4. Building your affiliate marketing hub. You've got your niche and affiliate programs. Now build your platform, your corner of the internet. Think of it like setting up shop in a bustling marketplace. You need a home base to share expertise and build trust. Choose the best platform based on your niche and skills. Let's explore a few popular options. First, the ever-popular blog or website, then social media, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok, and of course YouTube. Lastly, email marketing. Create high-quality content that provides value. You don't have to choose just one. Create a multi-platform strategy to maximize reach and impact. Chapter 5. Creating content that converts. Alright, you've got your platform set up, and now it's time to get down to business content creation. This is where the magic happens, where you get to share your expertise, connect with your audience, and subtly weave in those affiliate links. Think of your content as a bridge. It's the connection point between your audience's needs and the solutions offered by the products you're promoting. The key is to create content that's not only informative and engaging but also naturally incorporates those affiliate links. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to content creation. The best type of content for you will depend on your niche, your platform, and your personal style. But here are a few tried-and-true formats that consistently deliver results. If you're a wordsmith at heart, blog posts and articles are your best friend. For the visually inclined, videos are a powerful way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. And of course, we can't forget about the power of social media. The more you create, the better you'll become, and the more success you'll see. Chapter 6. The Art of Promoting Affiliate Products. Now let's talk about the heart of affiliate marketing, promoting those products. This is where many beginners get tripped up. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. The key is to be subtle, strategic, and always prioritize the needs of your audience. Think of it like being a helpful friend, not a pushy salesperson. You're not trying to force your audience into buying something they don't need. Instead, you're offering them valuable solutions to their problems and pointing them in the right direction. One of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products is to weave them naturally into your content. For example, let's say you're writing a blog post about the best running shoes for marathon training. As you're discussing the features of different shoes, you could seamlessly link to your affiliate partners' websites where your audience can purchase those shoes. Honesty is key. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Only recommend products that you genuinely believe in and that you think would be beneficial to your audience. When you approach affiliate marketing with authenticity and integrity, everyone wins. Chapter 7. Driving traffic and getting noticed. You've got your content, you've strategically placed your affiliate links, and now it's time to get eyes on your work. Driving traffic to your content is essential for affiliate marketing success. Think of it like this. The more people who see your content, the more potential customers you have for those affiliate products. Now there are two main avenues for driving traffic: organic and paid methods. Both have their pros and cons, and the best approach for you will depend on your budget, your goals, and your overall marketing strategy. Let's start with organic traffic. This is traffic that comes from unpaid sources like search engine results pages, social media, and email marketing. The beauty of organic traffic is that it's free, but it takes time and effort to build. One of the most effective ways to drive organic traffic is through search engine optimization, or SEO. Social media is another powerful tool for driving organic traffic. Now let's talk about paid traffic. The key to success with paid traffic is to target your ads effectively. Chapter 8. Tracking your progress like a pro. As the saying goes, what gets measured, gets managed. And that couldn't be more true for affiliate marketing. Tracking your progress is essential for understanding what's working, what's not, and how you can improve your results. It's like having a roadmap to success, guiding you towards your goals, and helping you avoid any potential roadblocks along the way. One of the most important things to track is your clicks. This tells you how many people are clicking on your affiliate links, giving you valuable insights into which products are resonating with your audience, and which ones might need a little extra love. Next up, we have conversions. And of course, we can't forget about the big kahuna: sales. Tracking your sales is essential for understanding your return on investment, or ROI. Remember, tracking your progress is not a one-time task. Chapter 9. Building relationships for long-term success. Affiliate marketing isn't just about promoting products, it's about building relationships. Think about it. People are more likely to buy from someone they know, like, and trust. Building strong relationships with your audience, fellow affiliates, and affiliate program managers is essential for long-term success in the affiliate marketing world. Your audience is the heart of your business. They're the ones who are going to be clicking on your links, buying those products, and spreading the word about your brand. So, how do you build strong relationships with your audience? Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and participate in relevant conversations. Show them that you're not just a faceless entity behind a screen, but a real person who genuinely cares about their needs and interests. When you focus on building genuine connections with the people in your affiliate marketing world, you'll create a loyal following that will support you for years to come. Chapter 10. Scaling your affiliate empire. You've built a solid foundation, you're driving traffic, you're building relationships, and now it's time to scale your affiliate marketing empire. This is where things get really exciting, my friend. Scaling is all about taking your business to the next level, increasing your reach, and maximizing your earning potential. Now, scaling doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires careful planning, strategic investment, and a willingness to adapt and evolve as your business grows. One of the most effective ways to scale your affiliate marketing efforts is to reinvest your earnings back into your business. As your income grows, consider outsourcing some of your tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants. Scaling your affiliate marketing business is an exciting journey, full of opportunities for growth and expansion. Your affiliate marketing adventure awaits. Affiliate marketing success takes time and effort, but consistency is key. Start small, track your progress, and scale as you learn. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the alert bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.